Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set smart lock in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on lock screen. Now click on smart lock here and draw the pattern for authentication. Now you have three options. First option is on body detection. Just click that. And if you turn on this button, click on continue. If you turn on this button, then you don't need to put your lock screen pattern when your phone is in your hand or in your pocket or wherever in your body. Now see here, if you move with your phone and you don't need to put lock screen pattern again. It will be activated within few minutes. You have to wait. So here I move it to shake my phone and I test it now. Yes, it is unlocked by smart lock. It is activated. And there is also another smart lock. Again go to the same settings, click on lock screen, click on smart lock and draw the pattern for authentication. Trusted places. Here you can add places where your phone don't need to require lock screen pattern to unlock your phone. Click on add trusted place and here you can select the place. I select this place, Annamalai Medical. Click OK. So in this place I don't need to put pattern to unlock my phone. I can lock my phone. To unlock it I don't need to put pattern. Again I go to the settings and click on lock screen, click on smart lock and give pattern for authentication. Then third one is trusted devices. Suppose you can connect any Bluetooth devices like a headset or any other devices, then if those devices near to your phone, you don't need to put your lock screen pattern to unlock your phone. So first add a trusted device. Click on add a trusted device, pair new device. Just turn on Bluetooth for this and you have these options available devices. I use OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z and it is pairing. Yes, it is connected. Now I don't need to put my lock screen pattern for unlocking my phone. I just turn off this and turn off trusted place. I just delete it and only trusted device is added. It's not connected. Again I connect it. Yes, it is connected. Now I put lock screen. No. Then I don't need to put my lock screen pattern password to unlock it. It is unlocked by smart lock. Smart lock means here this Bluetooth device. So in this way you can easily do smart lock in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.